A few days ago, my family and I visited Washington, D.C. It was a nice visit, but unfortunately a little rainy, so we got only one day for our trip with no rain to enjoy the blossom trees and the nice weather. I wanted to start this video with these beautiful spring vibes. This Swan cake was something that I wanted to do just because I find it very pretty and challenging. First I made our favorite chocolate cake. Let them come to the room temperature and shape them to look like the swan body, cutting the sides like I'm making a triangle. I also made buttercream and chocolate ganache, and now I'm going to assemble all together. Buttercream and in the center chocolate ganache and chocolate cookies. Second layer. More buttercream to cover all the gaps. And last layer, and you guessed it right, extra buttercream to cover the whole cake. I'm going to cover the whole cake with a thin layer of white fondant. Smoothen it and make the feathers. I'm using white chocolate, and with a mini spatula I create their shape on a parchment paper. Then let them set. With the help of my buttercream, I'm sticking the feathers to the cake. The swan neck is made with white fondant wrapped on a skewer. It took the whole night to set. Now I'm using food coloring to do the details. Wasn't that hard, right? My picture of the Swan Cake was shortlisted in its category for the Food Photography Awards, Pink Lady Awards Photographer of the Year 2024. I'm so honored for this.